Hi, I'm Savva, Technical Director of Call You, and today we're installing in The Hague. This is very typical of apartments in London, but also in the Netherlands in cities such as The Hague, Amsterdam and Rotterdam. The client here cannot have a conventional AC system with condensers or boxes on the outside. There are no penetrations to the outside allowed, and everything must be contained within the client's demise. To show you where we installed the units in this particular apartment, our client works from home, so the first obvious choice and important choice was his home study. With the large number of windows in this space, and then hence the solar gain from that, this space was unbearable during the summer, so we have installed another one here in the main open plan living area. Our client loves to entertain, so again, another one installed in the dining area. We actually finished this installation yesterday evening, and as you can see from our walk around, there is no making good and nothing for the client to do. The place is absolutely spotless and the client can enjoy their fully internal AC. So how did we do it? Well, the first thing we have to do when I carry out the site survey is define where we're going to put the condensers, the internal concealed DC inverter condensers, which are unique to us. You can see here the client has a beautiful utility room, lovely bit of space, and we have positioned a dual split condenser at the bottom, which takes care of two spaces, and we've got a mono condenser at the top there, which we've mounted on a custom metal bracket. When I first attended and carried out the site survey, the two machines, the washing machine and the tumble dryer, were pushed into that corner. Now I advised the client that we should pull the machines over this way and allow our condensers to be tucked into the corner for a few reasons. Number one, the client can easily get to their machines and do their laundry, etc. Number two, we can tightly go into the corner and connect to the services discreetly, and it also allows for the pipework to run neatly along the back wall there and go into the ceiling void and be completely concealed. Everything has been positioned here for perfect function, but also future maintenance and accessibility. If the client now wanted to come in and further box this in from an aesthetic point of view, that allows them to do that in the corner, just leaving a couple of doors for future maintenance when required. But there is a fourth room, the master bedroom, a very important area, but it just so happens to be right on the other side of the apartment. So we have a separate condenser for that space. Here we are in the master bedroom, which was a key area the client wanted to air condition, and it backs onto the storage area, which we're going to go and now have a look at. We could have simply placed the condenser on the carcass in the joinery just there, and the client would probably have been happy with that. However, we are the specialists, and through our vast experience and the sheer number and expertise we have of installing solutions like this, we decided to be a bit more creative for the client and conceal the condenser completely. If you follow me, you'll see where we put the condenser. So, the client still has storage on the shelf here. However, clever movement of the panel, and you can see our condenser is completely concealed, and it's actually running at the moment, which gives you an idea of how quiet it is. And it picks up services from the adjoining ensuite. So if you want any more information on anything I've just said, then please do contact us on the details below. Thanks.